guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved some jumbo box braids. This is how I separated my hair, my natural hair, and this is how I am going to be separating the hair extension. And you really need to take like a little bit more hair, and so I just separate the hair, and while I'm separating the hair and I start braiding the hair, as you can see, make sure you're holding it tight so that it is not coming off. And as I braid, I'll be adding some gel, because if you have natural hair then you really need to add some gel, because if you don't, then you have some hair like peeking out of the braid. So the eco styling gel really helps it to slick down. So you're probably gonna have some white residue, so don't mind that. It's gonna dry off. It's just the gel which eventually will dry off. So I really didn't want to take much of your time, that's why I just left like 2 pieces of hair over there. And right now I'm just stretching the hair, moisturizing, and then I'm just gonna keep braiding the hair. And if you're a beginner, this is like really simple to learn. So if you're a beginner, you really have to watch my previous video on how I braid my hair. I'll leave a video in the cards, so make sure you head over there and watch a full tutorial if you're a beginner. It is really detailed. So these jumbo box braids took me about an hour just to separate my hair, like putting the hair into rubber bands, and then I started braiding the hair the next day, and I think it almost took me about 2.5 hours if I'm not mistaken, but I wasn't looking at the time, but that's fine. So I just continue like braiding the hair like so, and I'm just gonna show you guys a little makeup tutorial so that you can see how I rocked this hair. And yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into that. So I'm just gonna go ahead into the makeup. I did my eyebrows off camera because I have a full tutorial of me doing my eyebrows. So I'm just adding some concealer on my eyes as my base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna get straight into the eyeshadow. I actually used my Juvia's Place Afrique palette, the Freak palette, and the colors that I'm gonna use are gonna be on the screen. So this is a deep orange, which I really love. It is popping. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing the makeup. All the details will be in the description box down below. Nothing much has changed. I just wanted to show you guys the color pop of this, you know, eyeshadow. So yeah, all the details will be in the description box down below. So I did a cut crease on my eyes, and then I'm just gonna add this purple color on the eyes. This is popping, you guys. This is so pretty. This palette is so pretty, and you can actually create different looks using this palette. So it is so pretty, so pretty. So I'm really loving the concealer before the foundation routine, because it is so easy for me, you know. So whatever works for you, but this is what's working for me now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some concealer in the color Fawn, and then I'm just gonna use my Maybelline foundation, the usual stuff, and then I'm just gonna be right back to show you guys the final look.